Adam Issacson here with Crawford Tech Tip of the Day. This tip is on how to turn your main water off to your home. Your main water valve typically in a house is right near your water meter. Typically that's in a basement along an exterior wall or near your furnace and water heater. So in this home we're in the mechanical room with the water heater and the furnace. The water meter is located along an outside wall. The main water comes up through the floor, goes through one valve, through the water meter, and another valve. So if you have an emergency in your house where you need to get the water off because of leakage or a broken pipe or a frozen pipe or something of that nature, come down, find your water meter. This valve on the outlet side of it is a typical ball valve. This is what you would see in a newer home. Inline is on, so water's onto the house. Straight against the pipe is off, so right now the water's off to your house. In some homes and older homes you'll also see what's called a gate valve, this valve over here. You might not have this yellow handled valve. This clockwise turns it off, counterclockwise turns it on. So if you find the water meter in those two items, you'll be able to turn the water off to your house and stop further damage until Crawford gets there to repair it.